58. Ayan, 3 minutes. Yung salad. Gagawa ko ng salad. Oh. Maybe this time will be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life. Ay, makakuha nga ng highlights na. Dito. Dito sa salad. Pag mag-gloves muna ako. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back when. Feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried something to catch you. Waiting for this magic moment. Maybe this time to be loved and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life. And it feels... Ay, si Ella Babe pala. Ella Babe, baka naka-BG ka pa dyan. Okay na yan. Pwede mo nakayasan. Manguha lang ako ulit ng highlights ko pang premiere. Alam mo na, tama mag-video, mag-vlog. Sana all, masipag. Tingnan mo yan si Tita Aw, ang sipag mag-vlog. Diba? Ang sipag ng team nyo, mag-vlog, vlog. Babe. Hindi si Ella Babe ha. Si Weirdo Babe. Ba't kayo masisipag? Sana all masipag. Ito po ang aking salad. Salad. Hindi man akin. Salad ng amo. Yan, sa aming lahat. Kasi kakain na. Hindi pa dumating yung amo kong babae. Kaya baka hinihintay pa nila to eat. I don't know kung anong oras yung darating. Baka gusto na nilang kumain. Uy, sana all. Bakit? Gusto mo talaga yung mahaba, Nakakuha ng Hindi pa ako nakakuha ng highlights. Na yata yung live ko. Nagloko na yung net. Loko-lokong net na ito. So, ayan. Ipindutin na.